Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Hisense HS2100 soundbar. This is 2.1 channel soundbar. This soundbar is called the Beast. 240 watts audio power with Dolby audio, DTS, TV mode. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. This soundbar got 3 speakers and 6 equalizer settings. So let's check this stuff out and see what is inside. It will help to unleash your TV sound. This soundbar can hook it up to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable and HDMI. This soundbar is with wireless subwoofer. This is the information pack. Here we go. This is very sleek and light. It's not heavy. Accessories are in here. This is brilliant stuff, very light. There we go, and see what it looks like. And the power cable goes in here. You have auxiliary port, USB, HDMI and optical. This soundbar is very light. The Beast, 240 watts audio power, 6 equalizer mode, Bluetooth 5.3, super powerful bass, ease play, multi connection, TV mode, ultra slim subwoofer and TV mate. HS series 2.1 channel soundbar, DTS and Dolby audio. Hisense, the Beast. This is the subwoofer here, very slim. Brilliant. Look at that. So this, you got black clothing here. The rest is covered with plastic, and at the back here you switch this off and reset it from here. The power cable goes in here. Now what is in here? The accessories. So you have HDMI cable included in the packaging, which is handy. This is power cables, the 2 power cables. One is for soundbar, the other one is for subwoofer. And battery, also the remote control. So we start with, we put the battery first. So you take the negative to the top right. So when you are holding the remote control, so the negative go to the top right and the positive at the bottom. Then on the left side, the negative be on the bottom, the positive be on the top. Then after that, then push this up to close it. Now this is the power cable. So take one of the power cable, go at the back, push it inside it, then plug it onto the socket. Then take this one as well. Go at the back of the subwoofer, push it inside, plug it. Then plug it onto the power socket. So we're going to measure this soundbar from this end to this end is 80 centimeter. You can call it length. This is 9 centimeter. So length is 80 centimeter and this is 9 centimeter width. And the subwoofer from the front to the back is 35 centimeter. From front to the back is 35 centimeter. This is 11 centimeter. Then from the top or height is 30 centimeter. This soundbar deserves your attention. You can also switch this off and on from this button, and this button here is the input plus for you to increase the volume, minus is for you to decrease the volume. You select the input, Bluetooth, USB, okay, ARC if you haven't got the remote control. But you can also select this from the remote control. Okay, this soundbar deserves your attention. It's beautiful, very sleek, the beast. It helped unleash your TV sound. This gear deserves your attention. What I want to do is to show you how to hook this up to your TV via HDMI cable. If you check my video, we connected this soundbar to TV via optical cable. This soundbar can connect it to your TV via HDMI cable, optical cable, and Bluetooth. HDMI cable is included in the packaging. So what we want to do now is, before you do anything, you unplug the soundbar from the power, unplug the TV, then go at the back, take the HDMI cable, go to the back where it's written HDMI ARC. So push the cable inside it and it's in. Now take the other end of the cable, go to your back of your TV, so go to the back of your TV where it's written HDMI ARC. Hook the cable and it's in. HDMI to ARC. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to plug the soundbar to the power, plug the TV, and plug the subwoofer to the power. Once soundbar and subwoofer are linked together, you will see a steady blue light showing you that the soundbar and subwoofer are linked together. Now the next thing to do, you need to switch this soundbar on.
Power on.
it will tell you power on. So you need to select HDMI. Okay, now switch the TV on. Okay, the TV is on, and if you look for this to the soundbar, you see a steady blue light. So now we need to go to the TV settings. Select the gear button to place, but this soundbar now is connected.
Under labour when we were in power.
Okay, this is the audio using the soundbar remote.
And did bring in a
also with TV remote control. When you are selecting with TV remote control, you see a plus.
Well, if you're worried about it, this is where. So I think the challenge that Lee is addressing is across assemble that coalition.
So this is the audio, and with this, okay, you select equalizer.
Music.
It will tell you music.
Nomad in some ways, it wasn't that.
It's a music. Movie.
To shoot from the hip. So in that sense,
News.
There were a few.
Game.
Sports.
Night. Music.
So you need to select equal for you to select specific mode you want. You can also select the surround on. Now what I want us to do is for us to go to YouTube. Want to go to VINNEZ TV, for instance. This is music. This is Samsung B series soundbar, C400 soundbar with built-in woofer, one remote control, and surround sound expansion. Music. Soundbar up to your TV. Movie. I must say, optical cable. This is movie. It's not included in the packaging. So we're going to measure this soundbar and also show you how to hook this up to your TV using optical cable. It is 10 centimeters. This is game. Now this soundbar you can also control it from the soundbar. Okay, panel.
Game. Sport. Night.
This is for you to increase the volume. You can see the volume when it is night.
Music.
Samsung soundbar is a great choice for getting more out of your movie or gaming night. It got 40 watts power with 4 speakers. So guys, backup with wireless subwoofer. Thank you very much indeed. And stay blessed. This is how to hook this up to your TV via HDMI ARC. Thank you.